You feel empty, disconnected from your purpose. Your heart doesn't respond to the Quran like it used to. Tears don't come. Prayers feel dry. And you think, maybe it's too late for me. But stop. This verse tells you, even dead land can live again. In Surah Al-Hadid, Allah says,
اعلموا أن الله يحيي الأرض بعد موتها قد بينا لكم الآيات لعلكم تعقلون.
Know that Allah gives life to the earth after its death. We have made the signs clear for you so that you may understand. Look outside, when winter hits, the land looks hopeless. No flowers, no color. But then spring comes. And life returns like it was never gone. Allah is telling you. That's how He works with hearts, too. Even if your soul feels spiritually numb. Even if you've been distant for months or years. Allah can revive your heart. Like rain revives dry soil. But you have to open your heart to the rain. And that's His remembrance, His book, His mercy. Don't let Shaitan trick you into thinking your story is over. Your heart is not dead. It's just waiting for one drop of sincerity to come alive again. Comment, Ya Allah, bring my heart back to life. Save this video as your reminder that it's never too late. Follow for daily Quranic reminders and healing.